Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to change your TikTok username without having to wait 30 days. Let's get started because it's fast and simple. Okay, I've got my TikTok app open over here, and to get started, press on your profile icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen, then edit profile. So you can see my username there. When I go there, it shows you can only edit it once every 30 days, but there is a super cool technique to change it right now without having to wait. I'm going to close TikTok and simply open the settings. Then scroll all the way down to the system and update. Now you want to choose the date and time. So I have already turned off the set automatically feature. So you also want to turn that off since you want to manually set the date and time. Simply, we're going to forward the clock on our device to create the impression that the date has passed. So I can just tap on that and choose any date I want, and that's all there is to it. So I'm going to exit that, then I'm going to open TikTok again, hit cancel there, and then I'm going to tap on username again. And as you can see now, it allows me to change my username. That's it, I can edit it to whatever I want. So now you don't even have to wait 30 days to change your username. After you set your new username, you can simply go back into settings and set your date and time to automatically, and that will change the time back to normal. That really is how you can change your TikTok username without having to wait 30 days. Please let us know if you have any questions in the comments section below, and please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips.